good morning, everyone. Today, we are given another chance to make this day the most beautiful day of our lives. And with this, we welcome you to Beautiful Smile with Dr. Maria Ana Claudia Paragas. Excited ako at I know excited din kayo para sa episode natin ngayon. Pero bago yan, meron tayo agad na short break agad. Tignan nga natin kung ano tong sorpresa ng KPTV. Oh, ayan, 'di ba? May pabonggang gano'n ng KPTV. How are you, everyone? Ako ay okay na okay pa rin, 'di ba? Bringing you beautiful smile each and every day of your life, 'di ba? Hindi lang every Tuesday, okay? You know, here in Beautiful Smile, di ba, we are not going to talk only about oral care, health care, medical care, di ba, and lahat ng care natin, di ba? Dahil, di ba, not only the oral health care and the medical care gives us beautiful smile, di ba? People, places, events, happenings also give us beautiful smile. And itong programa natin ito ay magbibigay ng ganyang kagalakan sa inyo. And with this, you know, parang, yay! Di ba? Masaya yung ganon, di ba? Para medyo, anong tawag doon? Medyo magaan din sa loob paminsan-minsan. Okay? Minsan, what makes us smile, lalo ngayong mga panahon nito? Di ba? Having good leaders, di ba? Nakakapagpasaya sa atin to. And me being part of an organization that is very dear to me, okay, we are going to talk some leadership skills and parang getting to know our leader dito sa ating Philippine Dental Association. Okay. With this, I would like to have the honor of introducing our very beautiful guest for today. Okay. Our guest for today received her Doctor of Dental Medicine degree in 1991 at the CEU College of Dentistry. Okay? Private practitioner po siya mula June 1993 up to present. Doon po siya sa Cavite, Imus Town proper, and sa Dental Minds po sa District Ayala Mall. Okay? President din po siya ng isang Ortho Diagnostic Center and 3D Imaging. Okay? Sa Robinson's Place, Imus din po yon. Okay? So, din ho siya, businesswoman. Okay? Naging polo venue manager po siya nung 30th Philippine Southeast Asian Games. O, di ba, mantakin ninyo, ang daming mga experiences niya, okay? And eto pa, okay, you know, she really held various positions in the PDA. Magkasabayan kami nito, one year ahead ako, although syempre magka-different school, pero talagang na siya, anong tawag doon, permanent siya sa akin, parang excuse the term, a fixture. Whenever may mga affairs ako ina-attendan sa PDA, alam mong nandun siya as a leader. Okay? Sabi ko nga, she held various positions in the PDA, from chairmanship of various committees, sa House of Delegates, naging Board of Trustee, naging Vice President, Executive Vice President, and ngayon nga siya po ang President-elect. At nagsimula ang kanyang parang heart, love affair, di ba? Love affair sa PDA mula nung maging presidente siya ng Cavite Philippine Dental Association, okay? Cavite chapter noong 2013-2014. And of course, isa rin po siyang general affiliate sa Endodontic Society of the Philippines. And nakatanggap po siya, okay, ng award during her term as president as the most outstanding chapter president Luzon North. Kasama po yung kanyang club noon as the most outstanding chapter then. And outstanding CEU alumni. Wow, parang ang sarap makatanggap ng gano'n, di ba? And most recently, outstanding committee chair ng Gawad PDA noong 2018. Ladies and gentlemen, with pleasure and pride, I would like to present to you the President-elect of the Philippine Dental Association, Dr. Cheryl Che del Rosario. Hello!
Hello, Dr. Ana. Thank you for inviting me. And of course, KPTV, marami pong salamat for this opportunity. Thank you.
Ay, nako, it is our pleasure. Ayan. Sabi ko nga, medyo magaan tayo ngayon. Wala akong specific topic na ibinigay sa inyo ngayon. Usually, meron topic yan. Bawa, ortho, endo. Pero siguro sa susunod, we'll discuss about endo. Ayan, takot ako dun eh. Takot ako sa topic na yun, kaya medyo pinag-aaralan ko pa. Okay, sige, simulan na natin. Okay, nasabi ko nga, di ba, having good leaders makes our smile beautiful. Totoo yun. Di ba? Ayan nga, eto nga, I would like to present to you our future leader. Pero bago yan, from our perspective TV, happy Tuesday mga ka-beautiful smile. Happy Tuesday to you as well. From Ryan Tionco, Dr. Ryan, good day, Anna Nation, and PDAP, Dr. Che Del Rosario. Hello, Dr. Rai. Thank you for watching. Okay, andar na natin. Okay, Dr. Che, what was the first thing that you thought of when you woke up?
I overslept.
Nagising ka. Oh, di ba? Yun nagising ka. Oh.
Yeah, seriously, well, syempre, you thank the Lord, no? You thank Him for being alive, and as well as your family. Alam mo yun, with what's going on, you just prep yourself na kahit ano man ang harapin ko today, kakayanin ko because andyan si Lord.
Ay, napakaganda. So, ibig sabihin mo, pagising pa lang ni Doc Che, ang nasa isip niya agad gratefulness.
Yes.
'Di ba? Even though, 'di ba? Even though she overslept, pero okay, thank you. 'Di ba? 'Di ba totoo 'yon, 'di ba? That's wonderful. Okay, sige, Dr. Che, wag ka mabibigla sa mga biglaang questions ko ha. Sana mahilig ako sa ganun.
Ano ba 'to? Parang boy abuda ba ito na ano?
Hindi naman. Hindi, ibang klaseng ano to. Okay, parang getting to know you, 'di ba? Hindi yung sa level lang na ayan, katulad ng unang pagkaka-introduce ko sa iyo. Okay, sabi nga 'di ba, kumbaga awarded ka na eto sa ano pa lang to sa PDA, sa ibang personal life and other side ng professional life mo, hindi pa natin nasama to. Okay, what skill or talent, okay, would you most like to learn aside from the skills that you already have now?
Well, I wanted to learn how to do Photoshop and pottery, no? Kasi I have the artistic side of me na I still need to develop, no? I usually task someone to do it for me, but eventually, siguro, tingin ko, maybe after PDA, I will do those mga hobbies, no?
Oh, nice. Let's do that together kaya, ano?
Yeah. Why not?
Oh, kasi ako nga, tignan mo ha, sa mga ano ganyan, hindi ako marunong. Parang, pwede mo ako iharap na lang ganyan. Pero yung technical side and what have you, parang, wala ako. That's a good thing na meron kang ganyan. And kahit na sabihin mong, alam mo yung successful ka na, meron ka pa rin gusto at gustong gawin. Right?
Yeah,
diba?
right, of course.
Okay, sige. Eto, sige. One word, ano tayo. What first comes into mind? Okay, when you hear these following words, Okay, sige. Foundation. Pag sinabing foundation.
Siguro, foundation, yung values mo of being a good person. Like not hurting others, people decisions, and yung when you make a decision, hindi mo ma-hurt yung someone, no? Siguro yun, yeah. Values.
Pag sinabing foundation, it's values. Okay, nice tip. Okay. Commitment.
My favorite, commitment. But what I say kasi is I do, no? Basta kaya ko, go lang. Yun lang. Siguro, you've seen me, how I work, no? So, yeah, basta if you have a task for me, go lang.
Actually, Dr. Che, I asked somebody na batchmate mo sa presidency. Nung naging year ka, okay, sabi ko, how would you describe Dr. Che? Alam mo talaga, sabi niya talaga, workaholic ka. Talagang pagtrabaho, and parang you really deliver. And that's coming from Dr. Rina Carrion. Ayan,
yes,
hi to Rina. Nagtanong ako, diba?
Nag-research.
Okay. Yes. Okay, next, next word? Opportunity.
Opportunity. When I see one, kinakareer ko yan. Ganun din. More or less related to commitment. Yeah.
Okay, so you love opportunities.
Yes. Oo. Gusto ko yan.
Gusto mo yan? Madali ka bang makakita ng opportunity? Let's say sa day-to-day living mo, ibig sabihin, halimbawa, may mga mistakes. Do you find those mistakes as para bang, wala na, yung parang nadadown ka na, or you see them as opportunities?
No, I always see them as an opportunity. Hindi ako madaling ma-down. Alam mo yon, I work hard for it, for everything that is given to me.
Oh, that's a good thing. Nakakatuwa naman. Kasi, kumbaga ako, minsan kasi di ba may mga tao talagang very sensitive na parang pag nagkaroon na ng error sa buhay or failure sa buhay, they don't see it as an opportunity. Kumbaga para bang, ayoko na. Di ba? Yung mga
Yeah.
ganon. Nice to know na ikaw ay ganyan. Kumbaga, you're a parang go person. Sige, next step. Di ba? Parang ganon.
Yes.
That's nice
Move
to know.
on.
Importante. Yes, very good. Okay. Sige, ano pa bang word? Expectation.
Expectation, yung expectation can be my strength and weakness eh. Kasi yun nga, may pagka-optimistic ako, no? So I always try to meet expectations. Kaya I always persevere kahit mataas. Pipilitin ko makamit, no? Medyo nakakapagod, but I like it. I like the challenge. I like the challenge of being tasked to do something.
Talaga. So gusto mo yung meron kang nagagawa. What's in it for you? I mean, yung ganon, yung sinabi mo ngang gusto mo yung may task na nagagawa. What's in it for you?
Siguro it's finding joy in being productive. Yun eh. Kasi I'm single, so yun lang. Yung pagka-busy ko with practice, with the business, and the PDA, it makes me happy. Ganon.
Yes, napakagandang bagay yun. Kasi talaga naman sa mga ginagawa natin, parang kailangan talaga first and foremost, yung nararamdaman natin ang ating i-consider. Kasi if you don't do things that parang make you happy, paano mo maililipat iyon? Yes. 'Di ba? Sa iyong kumbaga sa kapwa mo, 'di ba? Right, Dr. Che?
Tama yan, oo.
Nakakatuwa naman na alam mo 'yon na malaman yung mga gantong bagay tungkol sa'yo. Eto, isa pang word. Bigla ko naisip. Delegation.
Yes, delegation. Well, alam mo, I've handled so many committees, no? And I always delegate. No, you have to inspire your members kasi in your committee, no, to work harder, no? Once we give you a task, no? Parang we want to train them, no, to be better than you. Parang ganon. Kasi hindi naman tayo dito sa PDA matagal, no? We have to train new leaders, no, in PDA.
Ang ganda naman nun, 'di ba? Yung better than you. Yung hindi ka natatakot na let's say yung kasama mo sa grupo mas magaling sa'yo.
Hindi ako insecure na tao eh. Parang I actually push them hard na oy, ito, gawin mo, no? Pag hindi mo kaya, you ask me and I will help you.
Napakaganda nung ganun. Kasi hindi ba ngayon, yung era natin ngayon, yung parang era of yung sinasabi nating title-less. Although, syempre, nandiyan pa rin yung, okay, presidente ka, vice president ka, president-elect ka, pero it must always be shared leadership. Tama ba, Doc? Di ba, shared leadership? Kasi everyone can be a leader in any space. Alam mo yan, kahit na sabihin mo ikaw yung mataas ngayon na kumbaga title or position sa PDA, but everyone can be a leader.
Yes.
Diba?
Totoo yan.
Ayun, thank you, Dr. Che. Okay, sige, eto, medyo light. What makes you smile? Beautiful smile nga, diba? What makes you smile?
Siguro yung being with family. I miss kasi all the chika, the beso-beso, and all the gatherings, no? Alam naman natin na medyo hindi tayo nakikita even with your family, no? At saka material things, a colorful sneaker.
Nice. Ayan. I like that in you. Kasi alam mo, parang very ka, ano ba yung totoo lang. Kasi minsan, di ba, pag tinatanong natin, what makes you happy, minsan parang takot na takot tayong sumagot. Parang gusto natin lagi, world peace, family. Although,
Miss Universe.
Di ba? Pero totoo yun, di ba? Pero I like that parang material things, okay, bring us certain joy din di ba?
Yes. Oo.
So yung colorful, nice, colorful. Ano ba favorite color mo, Dr. Che?
Actually, multicolor. I love every color. Alam mo, nung nag-birthday ako 2 years ago nung wala pang pandemic, yung theme ko Mexican. Kasi gusto ko all colors. Gusto ko yung all colors. Natutuwa akong makita na colorful yung buhay and happy yung mga nasa paligid ko.
I wonder how will it be this September. O, di ba? Alam kong birthday mo, September.
Yeah.
Tingnan natin kung pwede naman natin bigyan ng kulay kahit pandemic di ba?
Yeah,
Maraming paraan
oo.
ngayon. Okay, sige. Next. What do you think makes a person beautiful?
Being true and being kind. Yun. Oo,
Yeah.
kasi
Nagra-radiate yun, no?
oo once you have that, meron kang positivity na nabibigay with your coworkers, with your family, and everyone, di ba? Yun lang. Tingin ko, ganun kasimple.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Eto, Doc, okay. When you hear the word success, okay, who do you think of first?
Siyempre sa PDA, I think of all the past PDA presidents, no? Kasi being able to lead the association, no, with all the adversities, alam mo naman yan. But siguro also yung mga people around me and all our dentists, no, who are holding on to survive in this pandemic. Kasi alam naman natin kung gaano kahirap and gaano ka-exposed tong ating profession, no? Kaya yeah, I always pray even for our colleagues, no, in the profession. Walang harong biro yan.
And thank you for that. Ayun. Oh, ayan, 'di ba? Parang ang bilis kalahati na tayo, 'di ba? Kalahati na tayo. Pero sandali lang, ito pa bago tayo mag-commercial, okay? Gusto kong malaman ano yung best advice that you have received, okay, from somebody.
Best advice. Siguro, there's nothing wrong in being who you are. No? Because who you are lets you achieve so much in your life. Yun lang. No? Some people wouldn't like you or pero if that's you who you are, then people just have to accept, and you in return naman, wag kang magtampo kung hindi nila gusto your work. Parang ganun.
As long as you do them no harm, 'di ba?
Yes, right.
Ayun
Tama. Oo.
Okay, so ngayon, sige, hinga-hinga tayo. Magko-commercial tayo. Pero bago tayo mag-commercial, dahil sa ka-exciteran ko, okay, na ma-introduce si Dr. Che, nakalimutan ko na meron tayong blessing from the Philippine Star. I read it at the Philippine Star. Ayan, habol-habol ang katanungan po natin sa araw na ito. Ano ang headline ng Metro section ng Philippine Star kahapon, Monday, August 30, 2021, araw ng mga bayani. Okay, hello sa mga frontliners na bayani natin. Again, the question, I read it at the Philippine Star. Habol po para sa inyong kasagutan. Ano ang headline ng Metro section ng the Philippine Star kahapon, Monday, August 30, 2021. And with that, magbabalik po ang Beautiful Smile with Dr. Maria Ana Claudio Paragas. Yes, you're watching Beautiful Smile with Dr. Maria Ana Claudio Paragas. Ayan, nagbabalik po tayo. Pero bago po ang ating pambansang taga-tanong, okay, para tuloy-tuloy tayo mamaya. Meron pa akong gusto ko ibalik natin muna si Dr. Che. Dr. Che, meron pa akong ilang mga questions sa'yo, okay. What are the 3 values? Magbigay ka, alam ko maraming values. Sinabi mo na kanina yung value, yung isang di ba? Pero what are the 3 values that you think are the most important on being a leader?
Well, ako a leader must have congruent words and actions. Hindi yung sasabihin niya ganito, tas iba yung gagawin. That's 1. Number 2, siguro a leader must stand by his or her decision, no, and take responsibility for that action, no. May paninindigan at handang managot para dito. And last, sincerity, and yung maging genuine ka sa words and deeds mo consistently. Yun.
Okay, tama. Kasi kung tutuusin, di ba, ang leadership naman is not about techniques and methods, di ba? Para yan, parang talagang, ewan ko, parang nakikita ko leadership is all about parang attitude, kung ano ka talaga, makikita attitude, and yung human experience. And that's what I admire about you. Kasi nga, I saw, magkasabayan tayo di ba?
Yes.
Although
Oo.
hindi naman ako naging presidente, pero I've always been active in the different, kumbaga,
Oo.
gano'n.
You're always
Nakikita na.
there. You're
Di ba?
always there sa
Kasi,
mga
kasi kasi nag-enjoy ako, kasi gusto ko. Alam mo yon, may yung gano'n
Yes.
And I always see you, laging parang sabi ko, talagang wala kang kapaguran. Alam mo yon. And because you're enjoying.
You're
Yun ang
enjoying
maganda.
it. Yes, yes.
Oo, not because you want to be sikat. Kasi noon pa nandiyan ka na di ba, yun Kaya I thank you for that. Isabel, you're such an inspiration. Okay, magbabalik tayo. Alam mo, Dr. Che, dito sa ating Beautiful Smile, meron tayong pambansang tagatanong, si Ana Rama. Okay, ano yan? Kumbaga, kasi nga ito yung show na to parang mga katanungan mga common tao. Okay. Sige, tingnan natin. May katanungan si Ana Rama sa'yo. Pasok?
Good morning, Ana Nation! It's been a while, okay? Ayan, ito po ulit si Ana Rama, ang inyong pambansang tagatanong. Pero, wag nyo nang tanongin kung bakit ito. Hindi ko rin maintindihan. Siguro sa layer na mas ba. Kasi protocol nga, ano nga ba, this is not about me, okay? This is about you. Balita ko, ang ganda ng guest, okay? Mayroon lang akong tanong, okay? Nag-practice ako, English ito, okay? Naku, parang nahirapan ako. Ito na lang, wag ko nang Englishin, okay? Pag narinig niyo po ba yung word na leader, ayan, sinong unang naiisip niyo at bakit? Bye-bye!
Ayan, Dr. Che, Miss Ana Rama.
Oo nga, meron palang gano'n.
Yes, may ganyan. Sige, Dr. Che, leader. Sino una naisip niyo? Not necessarily from the PDA.
Siguro yung aking pwede bang magbanggit ng company? Si Dr. Cecilio Pedro of Lamoyan Corporation.
Okay. Bakit?
Oo. Kasi yung company yun, I've worked there for about 10 years as a consultant. Yung kanilang making a difference for the glory of God. Alam mo yung gano'n na pag gano'n yung nasa isip mo na ang leader mo ay may fear sa Lord and lahat ng gagawin is for the difference of God. Is someone na ina-admire ko. So, yun. Siguro si Dr. Cecilio Pedro.
Oh, nice. Ayun, si Dr. of Lamoyan Corporation.
Yes,
okay.
Oo.
Napakaganda. So, napakaganda ng mga experiences mo. Ibig sabihin, yung ladder mo towards getting to where you are right now. Alam mo yan, yung mga taong nakasalamuha mo, yung mga experiences mo, parang it will make you parang a better leader. 'Di ba? Na yun lahat yun 'di ba? Kasi the future really depends, okay, on what we do today, on what happened yesterday. Preparation yun, 'di ba, Dr. Che?
Yes, of course. So, kailangan yun. Hindi yung nagpresidente lang, akala mo kayang-kaya nang i-handle yung isang buong PDA. Alam mo yon?
Yes, ayun. Thank you for that, Dr. Che. Okay, sige. Alam niyo po, si Dr. Che at si Jose Marichan, may similarity. Okay? Alam nyo, may pati siya, hindi niya alam kung ano yung similarity. Okay? Kasi pareho silang naghihintay ng bukas. Ano ba bukas? September 1. Okay? So, ayan, di ba? Kumbaga kung si Jose Marichan, nakasilip na sa mga bintana or kung saan mang ba, baka nga nandito sa mga halaman ko ngayon, okay? Nakasilip na, okay? Si Dr. Che, okay? Merong inaabangan at para sa PDA, okay? Dr. Che, within reach, abot kamay. Ayan, title nga natin, abot kamay, within reach, okay? Anong ibig sabihin nito? Ano ba ang within reach?
Alam mo, tagal ko pinag-isipan, kung ano yung magiging theme ko. Basta may series of yan, But yung PDA within reach is siguro yung when our members needs answer or inspiration, advice, yung we are always here, to help within their reach. Kaya yun ang napili kong title, Our aim is to, of course, make services more available to them, to our dentists, and keeping all dental professionals safe and healthy, while keeping also our communities free, of course, from oral health problems.
Okay, ayan. Okay, from Dr. Ryan Tiongco, bigyan daan natin. Ang ganda ng 3 qualities na yon, Dr. Che. Ayun. Advance Merry Christmas po. Aba, talagang bumate kasi nga, kasi nga sumilip na eh. Ayun. So, yun nga po. So, within reach, kasi po, bukas ay ang simula na ng official, ano pa, Dr. Che, parang promotion natin na
Yes, ng 113th PDA Annual Convention, no? We will start the registration tomorrow. And napakaganda nung tip mo. May sumisilip. So, pwedeng kaming sumilip mamayang gabi at maglalagay ako ng mga ganyang promo material na may sumisilip. Yes, we will open already the registration of the 113th PDA Annual Convention tomorrow. So,
okay, ano bang magiging ano ba ina-expect namin sa ano na to, sa convention na to? Ano ba, face to face na ba, or ano pa rin, kumbaga anong Zoom, kung anong medium?
Siguro no, after 2 years kasi of non-physical interaction, no, we are always aiming for a hybrid, no. So we want this to be the first PDA hybrid convention using a 3D virtual convention platform. But of course, you know, this is still subject for the approval of the government in conducting mass gatherings, no. But yeah, we have two registrations, may hybrid saka may virtual. So they have an option.
May option. Asan meron tayong ano noon eh? Asan kaya yung ating yung ating slide noon, yung virtual at saka yung ano. Tingnan natin, di ba? Ayun. Early bird registration through the president-elect. Ayun,
Yes.
Dr. Che.
Yes, opo. Kasi 'di ba meron tayong ang ating mga ang pangalan nila yung mga batch sandigan, no? I want them to be. Yes, so hanapin niyo lang po yung ating mga PDA presidents-elect sa kanya-kanya mga chapters. Now we have 100 chapters nationwide, no? Para mag-register. And also you can do at the PDA, and soon we will have online banking and GCash payments.
Ayun, so merong gano'n na ano, so sa inyong mga president-elect, ayan, pwede na po tayong mag-register. Although, ayan po ang ating mga convention rates and schedules. Ayan, ipo-post naman din po yan sa mga, actually, nag-start na mag-post niyan, Dr. Che, right?
Yes, so I want to thank, of course, Promotions Committee, mabati ko lang, ang nag-arrange nito si Dr. Wendy Isleta from San Pablo. Doc Wendy, hello.
Hello.
Yes, so nagpapakasipag ng ating mga promotions and quad media team, no, sa 113.
Ayan po yung mga sinabi ni Dr. Che. This convention, of course, includes also the students, okay, ano pa ba yung ating mga dental technicians? Okay,
yes,
ayan.
dental technologists, dental hygienists, yes, government dentists, and yeah, students. It's open also for foreign delegates and foreign students, no?
Kasi importante pa rin itong mga seminars na ito. Huwag nating sabihin na porke porke hindi nagkikita, sabihin natin it's not important, diba? Sige, Dr. Che, ano importance? Okay, bakit kailangan pa rin natin mag-seminar? Yung mga ganito.
Well, no, of course, we want to be updated parate, no, sa ating profession, no. So actually we have mga local and international speakers, no, invited in this 113th annual convention. We also have invited Dr. Ken Hargraves, no, for our pre-convention, and soon we will also promote that. So sana, Dr. Ana, bigyan niyo ulit kami ng chance, no, to promote our pre-convention speaker naman, no, sa mga susunod na panahon. Inuuna lang namin tong pre-registration early bird, and after that full promotions naman kami para sa ating pre-convention symposia.
Ayun. So nabanggit mo, Dr. Che, early bird. Okay, alam mo naman tayo minsan mahilig sa early bird prize, 'di ba?
Yes.
Iba yung alam mo, iba yung joy ng alam mo yung na hindi mo man ine-aim talaga, pero yung bigla kang nananalo, 'di ba? From out of something na ginawa mo. Okay, early bird prize ba tayo diyan?
Yeah, meron tayo mga prizes, no, na which i-announce din ng ating mga promotions committee soon, but tomorrow sasabihin ko na the infomercial that we are going to release tonight, share it to win it. It's a promo wherein you can have a chance to win an iPad 8th generation, no? So 8th generation iPad. So the more chances of winning pagka sinare mo sa maraming dentist, of course.
Oh, ayan, 'di ba? Since ngayon mga taong ano naman tayo taong SOCMED. Okay, do that. 'Di ba? Magkakaroon ka pa ng premyo. Okay.
Yes.
Ayan, sige. Sige, panoorin nga natin yung ating teaser ng convention. Dr.
It's time to connect with the experts of the dental profession and to reconnect with our favorite dental traders. After the successful PDA Virtual Convention 2021, join us for the first PDA Hybrid Annual Convention. As the 113th PDA Annual Convention embraces the new normal, expect an exciting and unique 3D experience. Soon in May 2022 at the SMX Convention Center, Pasay City. Registration opens on September 1, 2021. Contact your chapter president-elect. Payments accepted via online banking and GCash. Strict adherence to IATF and LGU minimum health protocols will be followed.
Very nice, concise and precise. Diba? Ayan, from Oral Perspective TV, congratulations and God bless sa mga endeavors ng PDA. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, ginagawa po namin ito para sa inyo rin, okay? Ayan po. So ngayon, ayan, before we end, Dr. Che, may pahabol na questions, okay? What is your life's simple pleasure?
Stay home lang ako eh. Hindi ako mahilig lumabas na. Lalo na ngayong pandemic. I just stay home, watch Netflix. Yun lang. And cooking. I love to cook.
Wow, ano specialty mo?
Marami. Tacos, for one. Spaghetti. Lahat. Yeah.
Okay. So, alam ko na. Titignan natin kung kung masarap nga. Thank you for letting us do that. Thank you, Dr. Che. Okay. And what is the best part of being you? Nagugulat ka ba sa mga tanong? Sorry,
Oo nga,
yes,
being committed. Being committed in everything I do. Yun siguro. Yeah.
Naganda. So, ayan, mga Kaana Nation, ano ba yun? Na-introduce ko sa inyo ang aming future leader, okay? Within reach, abot kamay lang po. Actually, noon pa man, abot kamay lang yan. Kahit alam mong, ano ba siya? Iba yung aura niya. Pero, alam mo, malalapitan mo siya. Talagang abot kamay. Napaka-apt ng napili mong team, Dr. Che. Okay, what is your advice, okay, to our viewers during this pandemic as a dentist?
Well, siyempre, yung mga ating mga dentista lalo, please stay safe. Follow the PDA interim guidelines on infection prevention during this COVID-19 pandemic. And have yourself inoculated. Kung hindi pa po kayo nababaccinate, please go to your nearest LGU na po.
Ayan. Dr. Che, maraming salamat po sa opportunity na ibinigay ninyo sa amin.
Ako magpapasalamat. Thank you so much, Dr. Ana and KPTV. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Ayan po. And natutuwa ako kasi parang we got to know you better sa ibang sa ibang pagkakataon, hindi yung kung ano lang. And that's so nice. Ayan. So ayan, sa mga members ng ng committee ni Dr. Che, ayan siya. Baka yung iba hindi pa alam yun. Siyempre iba yung close niya, tapos tayong andyan pa lang. Okay? And with this, okay, gusto ko lang kumbaga masaya ako dahil for Dr. Che, success is about growing yourself. Sabi nga niya kanina. And once you become a leader, success is already about growing others. Diba? Hindi siya insecure, hindi siya takot. And that's one good thing. Ay, may humabol. From Bernadette Gochuan, best of luck on your term. Praying for your success.
President-elect ko yan, ng San Juan.
Thank you. Ayan, thank you for your comment. Thank you for watching. And with this, okay, alam mo, starstruck ko lagi dito kay Dr. Che. Thank you again. And with this, hello mga Ana Nation. Thank you for watching Beautiful Smile. And always remember to be the reason someone smiles today. This is Dr. Maria Ana Claudia Paragas for Beautiful Smile. Bye-bye. Dr. Che, wag ka muna umalis, ha? God bless you all.
Kuya Prof, si Kuya Prof, si Kuya Prof.